Let's learn Soda Pop AB. It's choreographed by Angeline Fourmage. It is a 32 count 2-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. And then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Soda Pop AB. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward with a kick and walk back with a touch. So we're going to do 3 walks forward, step right, left, right, and then you're going to kick your left foot forward. We're now going to do 3 walks back, stepping back left, right, left, and you're going to touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, walking forward, 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to hold. We're now going to do 8-ball side touch. So you're going to quickly step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. We're going to hold, and then we're going to do 8-ball side touch. Quickly stepping your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on the left, stepping to the right. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do turning side touches. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. Touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. Touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, making your quarter turn side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 8 V steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. You're going to step your left foot to the side into the left diagonal. Step your right foot back center and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do cross points. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly over your left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly over your right and point your right toe to the right side. And that is the end of the dance. You'll start over with your walk with a kick. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk with a kick. Walk with a kick. Walk back with a touch. Side, hold, ball, side, touch. Side, hold, ball, side, touch. Quarter touch, side touch. Quarter touch, side touch. V step. Cross point, cross point. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock after the first 16 counts. So you'll dance your walk with a kick, back with a touch, side, hold, ball, side, touch, side, hold, ball, side, touch. And right here is where the song will end. It ends with the sound of a can opening. I like to have fun and kind of pretend like I'm opening a can when that happens, but you can just end with that touch if you would like. So now let's go around on the front wall. I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk forward. Walk with a kick, back with a touch, side, hold, ball, side, touch, side, hold, ball, side, touch, quarter touch, side touch, quarter touch, side touch. V step out, out and in, cross point, now walk. 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk with a kick, walk back with a touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hold ball, side, touch, quarter, touch, side, touch, quarter, touch, side, touch, V-step out, out and in, cross point, now walk, 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Soda Pop AB. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고 마셔봐도 상해졌지 않아. Got a feeling that oh yeah, you could be everything that I need. Taste so sweet, every sip makes me want more, yeah. Lick your lips now, cause you got it like that. Take a big bite, want another bite, yeah. 너의 모든 건 나 wanna 너 말고 모두 번해. When you're in my arms, I hold you so tight, so tight. Can't let go, no, not tonight. 지금 당장 날 시간 없잖아. 넌 내 거야 이미 알고 있잖아. Cause I need you to need me and make me feel so refreshing. My little soda pop, you're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up, you're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Pull me down, you're so hot. Pull me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
Make me wanna flip the top. 한번 come make it hit the spot. Every little drip, the drop, fizz and pop. 소름 돋아, it's getting hot.
Just how something when it's dripping out, it's done. I need a second round and pour a lot. And don't you stop till my soda pop fizzles out.